Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust volume on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Let's get started. So as a first step, we have two ways how to do it. First one is directly on the screen and the second one via buttons. Let's start with the screen. So open the control center and then click on this button which is named Media Output. Click on it and here is it. On this pop-up notification, you'd be able to adjust the volume level by moving this dot around the slider. Here is it how it looks, and also if you have any media playing at the moment, you'd be able to see the information right here, and when the media is playing you can hear the difference and set the perfect volume for you. And also now the second way, the most basic one, is with the help of these control buttons at the top of your tablet. So clicking to the left you will increase the volume and clicking to the right you will decrease it. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thanks for watching.